Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's time for another log flume. We are at
Stanley Falls Flume.
At where?
Busch Gardens in Tampa.
We're at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. We're gonna go on Stanley Falls log flume here. Up next, I'll bring you on board point of view from my point of view, and then stick with us after the ride and we'll let you know what we think about this log flume and how it compares to others that we've been at the park. So let's go. All right, on the way, there was like little to no line earlier. Here's the cues just so you can see what it looks like. And we had to put our swim shoes on. We always do that. We got these lockers that are just right over here behind us, and then you can just walk right up here and get on the flume. Hopefully it's moving quick. It looks like it is. We'll see. All right. In we go. Looks like I'm worried about getting wet. It's gonna get much more wet. Okay, everybody. The Stanley Falls Flume. Looks pretty good. I'm seeing a lot of water. They got a waterfall over here. Who knows? Hold on tight. Hold on tight, sudden slowdowns. Lean left, Becky. Lean left. All right. Yeah, we're catching up. Oh! I think we're gonna make it. Here we go, everybody. I don't see a guard in the tower.
Please sit upright, hold on.
No tower guards.
And brace for
oh, no, there is.
Slow down at the
Wow,
bottom.
really hidden. Awesome. Here we go. First splash. All right. Okie dokie. Little speed now. Lean right. All right. We got a left turn coming up, Becky. Oh, we're losing steam just a little bit. Slow down a little bit around the turn. The plant life here really is the, oh, wow, this has got a double fall. We might get soaked here. Here we go. Down we go. Oh, no big splash. I thought we were really, oh, wow. Oh, Lordy. Wow, we were moving. Woo! I got a little splash there. That's great speed for a log flume. Little drip. Oh, ow! Try to keep the lens clear for everybody. Well, this has got great speed. The line wasn't long. So far, I'm dry as a bone, though. I got a little splash on my right arm. And that's about it. Wow, it's way easier navigating with just the two of us. Lean right, lean right. Okay. And the big falls is up next. Up the hill we go. Several lift hills.
Please sit upright.
Very tropical.
And brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill.
Oh lordy, we're gonna come to a slowdown. Bottom of the hill, everyone. Here we go. I think I'm going hands up for this. Not bad. Did you get really wet? The shorts? My feet aren't too bad. I think you could just ride this one in your tennis shoes if you wanted to. Although, don't hold my feet to the fire on that, because just because we didn't get soaked doesn't mean you won't. But maybe the two-person, I'm heavier than Becky, so I'm in the front. Maybe that affected it, but really, they had a great speed, great ride. And we'll see you outside here. Let you know what we think, how it compares. All right. To the right. Perfect. Oh, to the left. Okay. Thanks a lot. All right, Stanley Falls Flume. What'd you think?
I thought it was a great long ride. Had great speed to it too. I wasn't expecting it to be so fast in certain spots there.
Yeah.
But had 2 drops. It was, yeah, definitely a fun ride.
Okay, so two of our most popular log flumes are going to be American Plunge and Snake River Falls. As far as that goes, Snake River Falls, you just get hit with a wall of water, so you just get really blasted. So this one is not one that where you get really soaked. So if you want to wear your tennis shoes on this, I think on a nice hot day you could probably get away with it, walk around. I don't know about the other, the whitewater rapid boat. We're gonna go do that one up next. So if you watch this one, you want to watch that one, that'd be great. So we'll compare those to others. But all in all, I think the theming is nice. I really like the plant life and the tropical vibe here. So it makes for a nice ride. It had great speed. It had some good lift hills. And really, the final falls was a lot of fun too.
It was, yeah.
I still think American Plunge is probably still #1. Snake River Falls is up there, and there's a couple others. If you want to watch all the flumes, they'll be on the ride video playlist. You'll be able to find them, or just search the flume on the channel, and you'll see it. And then you can let us know in the comments what you think if you did all that. So big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we'll see you soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.